It's Tacto time!
These days, everything we do is run by code. Everything. It's the language of the future. And I wanted to give my kids the upper hand. This is Tacto Coding by PlayShifu. PlayShifu puts the fun in the fundamentals of coding. Hands-on play with real figurines to code the games on screen.
Yummy!
They're exciting stories that bring the games to life, one code at a time.
Leaping ahead!
Tacto comes with fun figurines that turn your tablet into a coding adventure.
Woohoo!
Tacto also has advanced modes, like practicing with Scratch. It really helps them to think on their feet. In the world of ones and zeros, Tacto coding is the perfect learning adventure.
Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. It's a happy, happy day.